What can Rocket Money cancel? Intro. Hey everyone, a scene. You're scrolling through your bank account, your eyes widening as you see a series of small charges you don't recognize. Subscription fees, hidden charges, and recurring payments that have somehow slipped through the cracks. Hook, have you ever felt like your bank account was being drained by invisible forces? Cut to a shot of a person looking frustrated at their phone. Building context. We've all been there. Those pesky recurring charges that seem to multiply out of nowhere. It's enough to make anyone want to scream. But what if there was a way to take back control of your finances? What if there was a tool that could help you identify and cancel unnecessary subscriptions? Transition to a shot of the Rocket Money logo. Introducing Rocket Money. Today, we're diving into the world of Rocket Money, a financial management app that's designed to simplify your life. One of its most powerful features is its ability to help you cancel subscriptions that you no longer need or want. How Rocket Money works. Show a simple animation or screen recording demonstrating how Rocket Money works. Rocket Money connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, analyzing your spending patterns to identify recurring charges. It then presents you with a clear overview of your subscriptions, allowing you to easily see which ones are worth keeping and which ones you can cancel. Types of subscriptions Rocket Money can cancel. Break down the different types of subscriptions Rocket Money can help you cancel. Streaming services, Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and more. Software subscriptions, Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft Office 365, etc. Gym memberships, if you haven't been going, Rocket Money can help you cancel. Online services, meal kits, clothing subscriptions, and other recurring services. Hidden fees, Rocket Money can often identify and cancel hidden fees that you may not even be aware of. For each type of subscription, provide a brief example or anecdote to illustrate its effectiveness. Benefits of using Rocket Money. Discuss the advantages of using Rocket Money to cancel subscriptions. Saves you money. By identifying and canceling unnecessary subscriptions, you can significantly reduce your monthly expenses. Simplifies your finances. Rocket Money provides a clear overview of your subscriptions, making it easier to manage your finances. Saves time. No more manually searching for subscription cancellation links or contacting customer service. Rocket Money does it all for you. Reduces stress. Knowing that you're taking control of your finances can help reduce financial stress. Tips for using Rocket Money effectively. Offer some practical tips for using Rocket Money to get the most out of it. Connect all your accounts. To get the most accurate results, connect all of your bank accounts and credit cards to Rocket Money. Review your subscriptions regularly. Check your Rocket Money dashboard regularly to see if any new subscriptions have appeared or if there are any changes to existing ones. Be cautious about canceling. Before canceling a subscription, make sure you're no longer using it. Sometimes, you might need to cancel and then resubscribe later if you change your mind. Take advantage of Rocket Money's other features. In addition to canceling subscriptions, Rocket Money offers other features like bill negotiation and credit monitoring. Real-life examples. Share stories from real people who have used Rocket Money to save money and simplify their finances. Example 1. A college student who saved hundreds of dollars by canceling and used streaming services. Example 2. A busy professional who used Rocket Money to identify and cancel hidden fees on their credit card. Conclusion. Recap the key points discussed in the video and emphasize the benefits of using Rocket Money. In conclusion, Rocket Money is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By identifying and canceling unnecessary subscriptions, you can save money, simplify your life, and reduce financial stress. So, if you're tired of being overcharged and want to reclaim your financial freedom, give Rocket Money a try. Call to action. Encourage viewers to try Rocket Money for themselves. Ready to start saving money? Visit Rocket Money website link to sign up for free and start taking control of your finances today. Outro. End the video with a strong closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy saving.